I don't care how long you owned your BMW. Check your motherfucking door seals. Okay? Because it don't look bad at first. And you start to get down there. And yeah. It gets bad. So let's see how bad it gets. Yeah. All the way across. Talk about a fucking winner, you guys. So definitely check them doors. That's where it starts at before it gets down to the body. Catch it, change them doors out, and you'll be good. And my rear doors, raunchy as fuck, bro. You serious? You serious? Ain't no love out here. All that salt, man. Fuck Michigan roads, man. Michigan roads and shit. Well, ASMR for you.